5 seconds before we find out. That was
total chaos. Mike DeClark, low white lie, gets the win. 441, 202 in a mile an hour. It looked like I could see the top of the total chaos boat. Cole Allen had that baby sideways. What a save. Wow.
That was absolutely nothing but solid driving and a whole lot of luck right there is what that was. And I would be willing to bet Cole's going to need a pair of underwear when he gets to the pit.
Pre-order RACER H2O's coverage of the 2023 Drag Boat Nationals at Wild Horse Pass Motorsports Park exclusively at rmgsports.net. Then watch the race live and on demand at rmgsports.net and on the RMG Sports app on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and your favorite mobile device all weekend long. That's the 2023 Drag Boat Nationals, November 3rd, 4th, and 5th, only on RMG Sports. Don't miss a second.